How to use Truist investment service. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to manage investments with Truist, well in today's video I'll show you how you can do it quickly. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in with a credential and once you are logged in on the investment dashboard, you will see account balances, holdings and performance charts. So everything is grouped by account and asset type. So here to buy or sell, you can just click trade or buy slash sell and choose the account and enter the ticker or the fund. And after that, you can set quantity or dollar amount and review fees and then confirm it. And you can use transfers to move cash between your bank and investment accounts. And with that, if you explore research, analyst reports, screeners, and you can use calculators under research or planning tools to compare investment and the model returns. And if you need help, you can just click contact an advisor or schedule a consultation for personalized guidance and portfolio planning. And that's it. Viewing, trading, researching, and getting advice is possible from the Truist. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.